Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making spaghetti in Nigeria way. Yes, we are making spaghetti in Nigeria way. We have our way of making spaghetti. So I'm going to show you guys first and foremost what I'm going to do. I'm going to first and foremost boil my chicken. As you can see here, I'm going to add some of the onions to my chicken because I'm going to cook it. So I want it to be really tasty. So the ingredients I put in there matters a lot. So that is some of my paprika powder, some of my black pepper, and some of my thyme here, and curry powder. And salt to taste. Okay, I'm gonna put in my heat on low heat. So we're gonna let that to steam. As you can see, I'm not adding any water to my meat now. I'm gonna let it steam. It's gonna steam and bring out water by itself. Then after that I can add a little bit water because I will need it for my spaghetti later. So we're going to leave that to cook. In the other hand, I'm going to start boiling the water I need to parboil my spaghetti. So in my water, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt and a little bit of oil. Because we don't want the spaghetti sticking to the pot. So adding oil makes the spaghetti gonna stand on its own, while cooking. So we're gonna cover the pot and let the water to boil. We're gonna check our chicken to see. So you can see I didn't add any water to this chicken. You can see the water is coming out by itself. This is exactly what I want, So at this point, I'm going to add in some water. So this is the quantity of water I want. With this, I will allow the chicken to cook till finish. So we're going to cover it up again and allow it to finish cooking. At the other pot where I have my water for my spaghetti, as you can see, the water is boiled. So I'm going to put my spaghetti in. Because what I'm trying to make is Niger spaghetti, so I'm going to cut my spaghetti in twos. Normally I don't cut my spaghetti, I just put my spaghetti all that way. I just add it this way. I just add my spaghetti. Normally when I'm making spaghetti, I just add it this way. But because I'm making Niger spaghetti, I cut it in twos. Mommy, wait, I'm busy. I'll get back to you. So, that's my spaghetti. Okay. So I'm cooking just a pack of spaghetti, 500 grams. That would be enough. So, I'm gonna stir a little bit. So I'm going to cover it to cook. So my chicken is ready. As you can see, the chicken is ready. So I'm going to transfer my chicken to my hot air fryer. You know, this is not really like deep fryer. You use oil. This we don't use oil. You use air, hot air. So I'm going to transfer it in there. We're gonna deep fry it for 20 minutes just to get it a little bit dry. So my water, I'm gonna be using it later. And here my spaghetti is also ready. I don't need my spaghetti really cook because it's still gonna go back to the pot later. So at the other pot, I'm gonna start frying my oil. Pour in my oil. That should be enough. I'll let the oil to heat up. I'm gonna leave the oil to heat up. My oil is heated up, so I'm gonna add in the rest of my onions and the rest of the ginger. So here I have some of my paprika, carrots, peas and sweet corn. So you can use any vegetable of your choice. If you know the vegetable you like most, you can use them. So for this meal, this is what I choose to use. So we're going to cover it and let it cook for some minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to pour in some tomato paste. So I'm going to allow it to cook. We'll come back in 5 minutes time. Okay. So I'm going to add in my meat stock. I want to start adding in my ingredients, so I'm going to test. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of my curry powder, my paprika powder, my thyme, for the salt. I'm not going to put any now because it's okay. Maybe later when I added my spaghetti, then I'll still check if I need a little bit more salt or it's okay. I'm going to cover it to boil. You can see the oil is at the top, so my sauce is ready for the spaghetti to go in. I'm going to reduce the heat to avoid, you see that? I'm going to reduce the heat. Okay. And because my sauce is a lot for my spaghetti, I'll just reduce the sauce a little bit. Then after my spaghetti, when I introduce my spaghetti in, then I will see if I need to add the sauce back to the mixture, or I will do something else with it. So we'll see first when I have my spaghetti in here. My son said to me, Mommy, this is not Nigeria jollof because when grandma cook it, she doesn't add any vegetable to it. I laugh, but he knows me. I like putting vegetables, you know, in most of my rice or spaghetti. I like adding vegetable to it, but you can also do it, this recipe, you can also do it without vegetables. It is all fine and good. You can just cook it with the tomato without the vegetable. So you see why I reduce my sauce. I want to add a little bit of the sauce, and just a little bit. Take it back to the heat. At this point, my food is in a very low heat, very low heat. Is, as you can see, it's looking yummy, eh? So I'm going to cover it for 1 or 2 minutes, you know. Then my spaghetti is ready. Okay, guys. See? This is how I wanted my chicken. I want it this way. A little bit dark brownish. Okay. This is the end result of today's recipe, Naija spaghetti with chicken and some salad. Guys, I tell you, really tasty. And as you can see, Daddy, my times, I like it this way. See, you can spot some of the time on it. No time gives it that don't know how to explain it, but it gives it another delicious taste altogether. Okay, guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that each time I download a video you will get notified. And please share my video to your friends, and remember, till we meet again.